impromptu video to make tonight. I need to take a vegan covered dish to work tomorrow. So what I'm going to do is alter the fudgesicle recipe and turn it into a frozen chocolate pie. I've got a nice pecan pie crust that's vegan that I'll be using instead of a traditional graham cracker crust. I'm going to food process 2 avocados till they're very smooth. Next, a little bit of vanilla, some maple syrup to sweeten it up. You could always add banana to this as well. It will add to the creaminess. However, it will also leave a banana flavor, and I just want chocolate and cocoa. We will stir the chocolate mixture with the thawed CoCo Whip. Be sure that all of your CoCo Whip has thawed and do not press it down. It's very easy to lose the volume in it. Ever so gently fold the chocolate into the CoCo Whip. You can see I'm just being gentle. I don't want to lose any of the volume that's in that CoCo Whip. You can see how very gentle I am at doing the folding, and I'm just taking my time. The 2 mixtures are fully incorporated. Now I'm going to pour it into the pie crust. And just again, be gentle. Don't get all the air out of the CoCo Whip. Just gently smooth it into the pie crust. At this time, you will freeze it and serve it when it's frozen. Now I'm going to sugar coat the pecans that I will be garnishing the pie with. Just melt a little bit of vegan butter and brown sugar. Now I'm going to let the pecan halves cook for a little bit and get toasted on the griddle. Cool the pecan halves on a piece of parchment paper. 15 minutes prior serving, remove the pie from the freezer. Garnish with some extra CoCo Whip and the toasted pecans. As I said at the beginning of the video, I was making this for a covered dish at work. So this is how I'll be serving it. It's a very delicious and creamy pie. Remember, keep it in the freezer just until you serve it.